Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a low contrast shot and add a sepia tone. In Adobe Camera Bridge, I've selected this file. I'm going to click and just drag it over to the Photoshop window that's right underneath, dropping it to auto load. Now I'm going to play through by hitting the space bar. This is just a quick 11-second video. But as you're looking at it, do you see how it's flat? It's missing for sure rich blacks, probably rich whites. We'll activate the histogram so that we can see exactly what's going on. I hit the space bar to pause it. I'll add a levels adjustment layer right on top. Watch this. I'm going to adjust that. And I was right. This is a classic low contrast image missing the dark tones and a lot of the light tones. The quickest way to do this is to pull the black slider to the base of the mountain, the white slider to the base of the mountain while leaving it at RGB, and you're done. It's quick, convenient, and works pretty much all the time. And since this is a black and white image file to begin with, there's no reason to go into the individual color channels. I'll hit Command Z to undo that. The other way to reset this quickly, even quicker than dragging the sliders to the base of the mountain, is just using the black and white point eyedropper. So I'll click the black point and I'll click on something that should be black, maybe that real deep shadow hole here. And then I'll click the white point eyedropper and find something I would want to be super white, maybe this point here. And then I hit play, and notice how we've adjusted the contrast for the entire image, giving it a bit more snap, which looks really nice. Now I want to add a sepia tint, or a color grade. I'll pause the video and I'll just go up and add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. There's a lot of ways to do this. I'm just going to show this one specific technique. Hue and saturation, if you click on colorize, it's going to automatically apply these settings. Generally, I like to have a warmer, almost brown tone to make it look more old-timey, something like that. And then I'll drag the saturation so it's real subtle, like it's just a little bit of a hint of that old-timey photograph look. And now I'll hit play. So now I have this nice sepia over the image. Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over. Go home.
Yes! That's awesome! What? You just took one in the jugular, man! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, I did! Is this bad? Is this bad? You should pull that out. That shit is not cool. Pull it out. The door, man. Got a fucking door.